Hello there, welcome to our channel, and today's video I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you can unban your TikTok account on your iPhone or your Android. Now, if you violate the TikTok community rules, TikTok will ban your account. Now, if you want to just unban your account, you literally need to follow some ways. Especially if you get this type of pop-up on your screen, you can make a direct appeal to the TikTok community. However, if you don't get this type of pop-up here, then the next option that you guys need to choose from just by opening your browser. From here, just simply type unban TikTok account and then tap go. Right after that, you'll be able to see the first one, which is called Account Safety by a TikTok Help Center. Just go ahead and tap on there. And right after that, if you scroll down a little bit, or when it comes all the way down here, then you'll be able to see this option called Please Send a Report here. Just go ahead and tap on there. And from here, first you need to enter a valid email address where TikTok can communicate with you. Next, go ahead and enter your username that you used on your TikTok account. Third of all, you have to tap on the topic and choose account ban and suspension. Right after that, it says tell us more. Tap on here. You have to choose whether it is age related or not. And right after that, you need to explain why your problem and what type of problem you're having with. Okay, so we explain the problem right here. Also, you can share a problem of your screenshot just by tapping on upload. If you tap on upload here, then you can choose a file or photo. So I'll just go ahead and tap on photo library here. Then I'll choose my problem here and then just go ahead and tap on choose. And now scroll down here and make sure you're agreed to the terms and conditions and tap on submit. And then your request will be submitted to the TikTok community. Right after that, you need to wait around some time between 24 hours to 72 hours in order to get back a mail from the TikTok community. And if they are convinced by your words, then they will unban your TikTok account. Then you'll be able to use the TikTok once again on your iPhone or your Android. So this is how you guys can literally unban your TikTok account, and these are the ways that you guys can follow. Hope you find this video useful. If so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to get more useful video content for yourself. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later.